In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom webhook in make.com. By the end, you'll have a working scenario that can accept incoming requests and return a clean, controlled response. Start by heading to your make.com dashboard and signing in. From the main workspace, create a new scenario. This opens a blank canvas where we'll design the webhook flow. Think of a scenario as an automated pathway. It waits for something to happen, then does something with it. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. In the search bar, type webhooks and select the Webhooks app. This is where custom endpoints and responses live in Make, and it's what lets outside tools talk to your scenario securely. From here, choose what you want the Webhooks app to do. If your goal is to send a tailored reply when a webhook hits your scenario, switch to the actions list and pick the option that returns a custom response. That action tells Make exactly how to answer the caller after your scenario runs. If you're also creating the endpoint itself, note that the Webhooks app includes a trigger that generates a unique URL for receiving requests. That URL is the address other services will call, but for now we'll focus on configuring the response. In the response module, enter the status code you want to return. For a successful call, 200 is the standard OK. If you're signaling that something was created, 201 can be appropriate. For errors, you might use 400 for bad request or 500 for a server error. Be deliberate here. Status codes help clients understand what happened without even reading the body. Next, enter the body of the response. A simple JSON message works well, such as a confirmation, an ID, or a clear error description. Keep it structured and predictable so the receiving system can parse it reliably. If you plan to return JSON, set the content type to application/JSON so callers interpret it correctly. You can also include dynamic fields from earlier modules using Make's mappers to return real-time values like order totals or timestamps. When everything looks good, click Save. This locks in your response settings and keeps your scenario tidy. At this point, your scenario can accept an incoming webhook and send back the exact status and message you've defined. Later, when you're ready to test, use a tool like a webhook tester or your application's integration to call the webhook URL and verify you get the expected status and body. That's it. Your custom webhook flow is ready in make.com with a clear professional response each time it's called.